In this video, you will learn how to use and pay with the RBC debit card online. First, check if your debit card is enabled for online use. Make sure your RBC debit card is enabled for Visa Debit or Interactive Online. Look for the Visa Debit logo on your card. Shop at a website that accepts Visa Debit. Use a Visa Debit card on your site that accepts Visa Debit or online as a payment method. Choose Visa Debit at checkout. When prompted, select Visa or Visa Debit as your payment method. Enter your card details, fill in your RBC debit card number, expiry date and CVV number on the back of your card. Enter your billing information. Make sure to provide your billing address that matches your one on your RBC file. Confirm and pay. Review the payment details and confirm the transaction. You may be asked to verify your RBC online banking or security code. Now you know how to pay and use with your RBC debit card online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.